We're all gardeners. Not much different than when God placed man and woman in Eden. You are called to cultivate, keep, and renew the place you find yourself, either at home, an office, or somewhere in between. Tending talent, cultivating capability, growing people and products and services, participating with God to make something of this world, His world. Where you spend your days is where your faith and your work intertwine as you steward the labor of your hands. This year, Makoto Fujimura, Karen Swallow Pryor, David Brooks, Rachel Den Hollander, with 7 other creatives, authors, entrepreneurs, and pastors, will explore key themes of creating, protecting, preserving, and healing in our vocations. Join us October 1st for Common Good Conference.